Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 3A Lite, and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So let's start with opening your contact list with the usage of the dialer, for example. So open the dialer, in Home, tap on the three bars icon here and go to Contacts. Now let's find the contact which you'd like to block and tap on it. And now scroll down to find this option, Block Numbers. Simply tap. Your device will inform you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number, so just tap on Block. And here we've got this characteristic icon, which means that we just successfully blocked the number. Of course, you can unblock it the same way right here, but let me leave it like this. We will check whether it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now to open the blacklist, we have to go back to this Home section. Tap on the three bars icon here and go to the settings. Now let's tap on blocked numbers. And this is our blacklist. That's the number we blocked from our contacts. So as you can see, the previous option works. We can here tap on add a number and enter it manually. Tap on block and it will be immediately applied to the blacklist. Moreover, here you can manage the unknown callers, so you can block the calls from them just by using this switcher. Now it is turned on and now it is turned off. If you wish to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.